Welcome to Steps to Success, where we share and let's embark on this journey together toward becoming the best versions of ourselves, one step at a time. Discipline is not just about controlling your desires. It is the ability to remain steady when the world around you pulls in 1,000 directions. True discipline is not about harshness, it's about aligning your actions with your purpose, step by step, until the noise fades and only clarity remains. A young man once asked me, "How do I build discipline? Every time I try, I fall short." I told him, begin with just one thing, no matter how small, a habit that anchors your day. Whether it is 2 units of voluntary prayer, reading 1 page of the Quran, or waking early to seek knowledge, commit to it, and do it, even when you don't feel like it. That is the essence of discipline, to show up, not just when it's easy, but especially when it is hard. You see, consistency is where growth happens. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam reminded us, "The most beloved deeds to Allah are those done consistently, even if small." What seems like a tiny action today will become the foundation of greatness tomorrow, just like drops of water carve through stone over time. Small, consistent acts shape your soul, bringing you closer to your best self. You will stumble, there will be days when you fall short, but discipline is not about never falling. It is about rising every time you do. When things get tough, remind yourself it's not failure to begin again. Every restart is an opportunity for growth. Every effort a new chance to draw closer to Allah. This is the power of sabr, patience and perseverance. With each step, you are not just building habits, you are building yourself. Discipline is the path to freedom. It frees you from regret and wasted time. Every moment is an opportunity. The question is, what will you do with yours? Start today. Take one small step, stick to it, no matter how small, and trust in Allah's plan. If you walk this path with patience and perseverance, you will not just reach your destination, you will become the kind of person worthy of that destination. Thank you for watching Steps to Success. If this message resonated with you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content grounded in the wisdom of Islamic teachings. Let us walk this path together, growing stronger with every step. Until next time, stay committed, stay disciplined, and always trust in Allah's plan.